Zimbabwe National Army is in mourning following the passing of Brigadier General retired Samuel Mupabanga, a veteran military officer who dedicated his life to saving the nation. Sanabira mashoko buda panguwa ino uchinokwa kunzi another retired general panguwa ino wotisiya panguwa ino yaitagwa nevanhu chinzi it's no longer brick by brick but is now brick by brick. Uchinokwa kunzi mabrigadier panguwa ino one by one they are falling. It was subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Timida Pahendo, the ex-Samblanyura cheating. According to a statement released by the ZNA, Brigadier General Pabanga, also known by his Chimurenga name, Moffat Gomo, died on Monday at Uganda General Hospital after a long battle with illness. He was 69 years old. The commander of the ZNA, Lieutenant General Ashawood of Mani, expressed his sadness and condolences on behalf of the entire ZNA community. Mourners have gathered at house number 4 Mark G Road, Sourcetown, Bulawayo, and funeral arrangements expected to be announced soon. The nation mourns the loss of the distinguished soldier and a leader who will be remembered for his service and contributions to the country. Hashtag RIP. Hashtag Zimbabwe National Army. Ndo mashukano pangwa ile pamsoro awape the passing on ya Brigadier General pangwa ina anonoka kunzi was also a liberation war fighter. What developments are kuda pangwa ina anonoka kunzi is the country and the ruling party ZANU-PF pangwa ina ini strike pama issues of succession kuchonokwa kunzi now dzino involve the mauto pangwa ino zonyaswa kunzi they played a critical role pangwa ino in shaping the current leadership ilipo, and pangwa ino kuchonokwa kunzi is my generals who took part in the 2017 military coup are now being sidelined. Some of them they've been fired, some of them they've passed away. Pangwa ino the passing on ya Brigadier General Samuel Mpabanga onekwa kunzi is one of my generals ari follow the same path yekuya pangwa ino vachitsakatiswa. Bira comment section medu zofunguro imo tudi pamusoro pechitwechi. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.